Hello everybody, today we'll talk about cryptocurrencies mining on CPUs. So if you have a weak video card or integrated video card, you can mine cryptocurrencies using your CPU both on desktops and laptops. As an example, we'll see how we can mine via CPU a cryptocurrency named DERO coin. It can be mined both on CPUs and Android phones, but in this video we'll see how it can be mined via CPU in Windows. So here is an official website for DERO coin, DERO.io. Here we can find some unique features of this coin, links to miners and official wallet, etc. So now we need to find the DERO coin mining node. As an example, we'll take ultranode.xyz mining on CPU DERO coin. Here is instructions for CPU. So the first step is to get official wallet and miner on DERO coin GitHub release page. So this is the latest release, and we need here DERO Windows AMD64 archive. Downloading it to some directory. Open. Extract. And also we need, as a second step, we need to download Start DERO Mining CMD and Start Wallet CLI Windows Remote CMD. You need save. So what we can see is DERO coin files and two CMDs. One is for starting mining, and the second is for DERO coin wallet creation. The third step is to create a DERO wallet, clicking Start Wallet CLI Windows Remote CMD. Run anyway. So here we need create new wallet. Wallet file name, password, choose language. This is your seed phrase. You need to write it down or save somewhere. Also, you need to get an account address. So this is an account address. Copy it. And put in some text file. The fourth step is to register wallet in blockchain. Account registration to blockchain 4, and it will take about 5-10 minutes. When the account was registered, we need to open for editing Start DERO Mining CMD. Start DERO Mining CMD, edit, info, run and away. And here we need to change wallet address to our wallet address and number of mining threads. So our wallet address is here. Copy. Paste. And mining threads 10. Okay. It's okay for us. So save it and just start mining. So now you can start mining on your CPU DERO coin by clicking Start DERO Mining CMD. So if you see this error, you need to wait for 10-15 minutes and try again later. 15 minutes have passed, and now you can click Start DERO Mining again. And what we see is that the mining process has started. So that's it, how you can mine cryptocurrencies on your desktop or laptop CPU. Thanks for watching.